Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I am good. How about you?
I am good too. How was school today?
School was fun. We did many things.
Oh, really? What did you do?
We had a science class.
What did you learn in science?
We learned about volcanoes.
That sounds interesting. What did you do?
We made a small volcano with baking soda and vinegar.
Wow. What happened?
The volcano erupted. The red foam came out.
That sounds so cool. Did you like it?
Yes, it was my favorite part of the day.
I wish I saw it too. Maybe we can try it at home.
Yes, that would be fun.
What is your favorite subject?
I like science the most. It is very fun.
Oh, why do you like science?
Because I love experiments and learning new things.
That's great. My favorite subject is English.
Oh, why do you like English?
Because I love reading and writing stories.
That is nice. Do you read a lot of books?
Yes, I love reading in my free time.
What kind of books do you like?
I like adventure and mystery books.
That's cool. I like comic books.
Oh, do you have a favorite comic?
Yes, I like Spider-Man comics.
That's nice. What other hobbies do you have?
I love playing the guitar.
Oh, are you learning to play?
Yes, I joined the music club.
That's great. Maybe you can play a song for us one day.
Hahaha, maybe, but I need more practice.
Don't worry, you will get better.
Thanks. What hobbies do you have?
I love drawing and painting.
Wow, that's amazing. What do you like to draw?
I like drawing nature and animals.
That sounds nice. Maybe you can show me one day.
Sure, I will show you my drawings.
Great. Oh, what did you eat for lunch today?
I ate a sandwich and an apple.
That sounds tasty. What kind of sandwich?
A cheese and tomato sandwich. It was yummy.
Nice. I ate rice and chicken.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
Yes, my mom made it for me.
That's great. Do you like homemade food?
Yes, it is always fresh and tasty.
I agree. Homemade food is the best.
Yes, by the way, are you excited for sports day?
Yes, I am in the relay race team.
That's awesome. Are you ready for the race?
I practice every day, but I feel nervous.
Don't worry, you will do great.
Thanks, John. Are you joining any event?
No, but I will cheer for you.
That's nice of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's do our best in everything.
Yes, let's work hard and have fun.
Agreed. See you tomorrow.
See you, John. Bye.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!